morning, newcomer science. Today we're going to talk about what is weather. Your learning target for today is I can define weather, temperature, sky conditions, wind, and precipitation. And your success criteria is I can take notes on what is weather and I can complete digital homework on what is weather. So what is weather? I'm going to highlight the information you need for your note guide, which is in Google Classroom. So weather describes the conditions of a location, and more specifically, it describes the conditions of the atmosphere for a location. So I would say weather describes the atmosphere conditions of a location. Weather varies day to day for most locations on Earth. And weather can change quickly. It can change in a matter of minutes. This is a map of the Northeast United States, and you can see that the colors represent new precipitation or rain forming over an area, and it changes as time goes on. There are some important factors we consider to determine the weather of a location. The first factor is temperature, and temperature describes how warm or cold it is in a location. Sky conditions. Sky conditions describe the state of the sky. That means, is it cloudy? Is it sunny? Is it clear? Next is wind. Wind is the movement of air. And finally, we have precipitation. Precipitation is the fall of water from the atmosphere. For example, rain, snow, hail, and sleet. This is all we have for right now, and we will talk more tomorrow about describing weather.